Hi guys, my name is Kamal. Today I am going to teach you some basic warm-up and stretching exercises. You should perform these before starting your workout. It is very necessary to do this before your workout so that these stretches and these warm-up exercises, they improve the flow of the blood in the muscles and you will not get injured. Trust me. So we'll start with the wrists. You just have to roll your wrists. You have to do this for 15-20 seconds. You can try it in both the directions. Okay. Then for your forearm, first you have to stretch the upper part of your forearm. Just hold your fingers and bend your hand like this and straighten your elbow. So this will make sure that this portion of the forearm gets a proper stretch. Hold it for 15-20 seconds. Turn it around. Press your hand this way. Keep this portion should be straight. It should not bend. And you have to press your fingers inwards. So it gives you a proper stretch on the upper side of the forearm. You have to do it with both your hands. After this comes shoulders. So you just have to rotate your shoulders like this. Again, do it for 15 to 20 seconds. Bend down and just leave your shoulder hanging. Both the sides. 15 to 20 seconds. One more stretch for your shoulders. Hold your elbow. Hold your fist, make a fist out of your right hand. Hold it this way and put pressure on your elbow and push it towards your chest. So you've got a good tight stretch over here on your shoulder. Same with the second hand. Again, it is very important to hold all the stretches for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Then next is, okay, the stretch for the neck. Bend your neck on one side, hold it with your hand. You get a good stretch over here. Again, hold this for 15 to 20 seconds. Do it on the other side. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds. After this, take your elbow up like this. Take your hand straight like this. Bend it towards your elbow. Pull your elbow inwards. Bend slightly. So it gives you a nice stretch over here. Repeat the stretch. Okay. After this stretches are enough for you to start your workout for your upper body. Now comes the legs. Okay, so we've got different stretches. First is for the front portion of the legs. I don't know what is it technically called. I believe it is called quadriceps. Back portion, the hamstrings, and the butt area. So to start off with, hold the stretch like this. Hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. It will give you a nice tight stretch on the front of your leg. Then same you have to repeat with your second leg. If you are not comfortable, if you are losing your balance, make sure that you hold on to something. Next is the hamstring part. Hamstring stretch is very easy. You just have to bend. You have to bend from this portion, from your waist. You have to bend down, down as you can go. Your head has to face inside, your eyes has to see your knees, and you have to touch your toes. Hold this stretch for 15 to 20 seconds. You get a nice tight stretch in your calf muscles and your hamstrings. Next is for your butt. Lift your leg and hold it towards your chest. Hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. You get a nice stretch on your butt. So once you do all these warm-up exercises, you can do any exercise after this, whether it is jogging, running, cycling, whether you're going to the gym, you're doing weights, anything. But it is very necessary to perform the stretches before you start your workout. Thank you so much.